Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We begin this segment with a TVJ News update. The elderly homeless man who was robbed and beaten in Port Maria last week is said to be recovering. The man had to be transported to a medical facility in the corporate area for emergency surgery due to the seriousness of the injuries he sustained. Mayor of Port Maria Fitzroy Wilson provided our news team with an update.
The person is alive. Family members were contacted. Family members have visited with him at the hospital. The police is doing their investigation, and I've spoken to the superintendent in charge of the parish up to Saturday, and some investigators will be coming to the corporation today to finalize some other communications. We're thankful to God that he would have been able to survive that attack, and we're just asking the public to be civil to our seniors, our elders, our indigent persons, because we did not know what we are going to become later on, and we would not want that for our parents. So we shouldn't ask that they be ill-treated or demonized in certain way.
The police are searching for two young men who they believe carried out the attack on the 70-year-old man near the market in Port Maria. Persons who may be able to assist the police in their investigations are being asked to contact the police emergency 119 number.